differentiate ba yung relationship dynamics mo or compared to when you first, ano yung reunion shows nyo pre-pandemic?
Pre-pandemic, so just recently.
Yung magkasunod na shows na magkasama kayo, the last time you appeared together na major, na kayo lang.
Kami lang. Kailan lang, sa Amerika kasi madalas yung kami mag-show, no? How are we now?
Compared to
Our relationship on stage.
On and off stage.
Alam mo kami ni Martin, weird kami. Whether okay kami or not, when we're on stage, we are okay. So, hindi nyo, I guess it'll be very difficult for you guys to see kung okay kami, kung nagkakasundo kami that time or not. Because the minute we step on stage, we let go of everything. Oo, yung lahat ng pinagdadaanan namin because we really focus more on the show. As a matter of fact, that has happened so many times na minsan, magugulat na lang kayo, nag-uusap na lang kami on stage, akala nyo it's part of the spiel, right? But we're actually dealing with whatever we're going through at that time habang nasa stage kami. Ang weird namin. Actually, siya lang pala yung weird. Ako pala normal.
She reacts to my weird. She reacts to my weird.
So I guess you can call it professionalism because we know that ang sabi kasi sa amin dati, ang turo sa amin dati ni Direk Fritz Infante, who is one of my talagang main mentors, is the minute you step on stage, it is important that you entertain the people because wala naman silang alam sa pinagdadaanan mo, right? So I think na-carry ko yon all throughout. It was very difficult at first. It's always difficult, but yun na. They always say the show must go on.
That's right, and we live by that. I mean, we're perfect examples of that cliche, the show must go on. But to answer your question further, the difference now is that we are noticing, Pops and I, at this later part of our lives, we're noticing how good a team we have become. Because sometimes they put us on stage unexpectedly, walang script, walang warning, sige, perform. And we're able to do it. The harmonies, I know when she's gonna go right, I have to go left. When she goes left, I go right. When she goes down, I go up. When I go down, she goes up. We are so, I mean, as far as all the people she's worked with and I work with, we are the most automatic. And at this stage in our career, we're noticing it now. Like, oh my God, we're not anymore together, but we're still able to finish each other's sentences. I know where she's going. She finds the show a little bit too long, or I'm going too long with my spiels or whatever. I can feel it, we can sense it. We can almost just look at each other and direct each other just with our facial expressions. The same face that I see when I come home late at night before.
Sobra ka?
Yung ano ka,
May
moving.
palit mo kaya? Ako rin.
That means,
Ako naman I noticed, maybe because dati, lalo na ako, no? Ang dami kong fears. I could not say this, maybe I'm not allowed to say this, maybe I can't do this and whatever. Ngayon, mas open na kami to talk about us. Diba? Dati kasi, syempre, I guess we're so private, and we still are, no? But now, alam nyo naman kasi yung pinagdaanan namin. Oo. So ngayon, parang we don't make fun of it, but now we can talk about it in a lighter way, where hopefully, sa amin serious nangyari yun, pero ngayon, natitwist na namin yung kwento, nagiging funny na siya. Back then it wasn't, but now it is. And hopefully, I think we do it because we're not making fun of whatever we've gone through, but we want to do it because gusto rin namin siguro yung audience namin, kung sino man yung napagdaanan or pinagdadaanan yung mga pinagdaanan namin, gusto namin malaman nila na it's okay. You know, if it happens, and malay nyo, pwede rin kayong maging ganito.
Pwede rin kayong mag-concert. What makes this tandem also different, just so you know, is even off stage. I mean, we could have personal problems that you've all written about or read about so often. Pero pag dumating sa performance na when the music starts or the script starts, magaling kami magano, where we complement each other even there. Hindi lang sa mga ad-lib, sa mga magaling magano, right, left, off. Everything I mentioned, that's all a given. I think it's from years. But what makes us, I think, different from other love teams on stage is that when it comes to the performance level, that has never changed. I think we still, I think if there's anything we can be proud of, is that we hold a certain, not the one prestige, but a certain stature in the music industry that we're able to still entertain regardless. Not every love team can do that. Just pakatapos yan, may ibang love team sila, may ibang kaya i-promote yung movie nila, yung teleserye nila. Things have changed. During our time, we became a love team, but we fell in love before we became a love team. Now they make people fall in love just for the sake of art, di ba? That didn't happen during our time, so we're proud of that. We're proud that we're able to still be great together, even though we're together.
Bago yun.
Quote,
Together.
together.
Yeah. Actually, yung last show namin na ginawa, sa Vegas yun, di ba? Ang dami kasing nangyari backstage. Ang daming changes, change ng sequence guide. So ako mismo, parang sana ba pumupunta ng show? But the minute we were on stage, parang there was a flow, we talked about it, our spiels kind of fell into place. So tuwing pumupunta si Martin backstage, I would tell him, oh, galing pala talaga natin.
That's what I mean.
Ang galing pala talaga natin kasi napatsi-patsi natin yung show, hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung sinasabi namin skills. It made a lot of sense, and yet it was still on a lighter mode. It was a pretty
Good example.
sensitive show to
Yes,
do,
yes.
but we did it, and it turned out very good.